Kono, you dey hear me whine. I say you turn that gidigba. On top of the Chairman Television Station, Wazobia TV channel 98 on top of GoTV Cable, Star Times channel 195, My TV channel 17, UHF 57, and DSTV channel 259. Just in case television they far from you, log on to Facebook, www.facebook.com/Wazobia Max. You can follow us as we discuss all the action to do where they come and smoke inside Nigeria political boxing ring. Monday, they always they hot because they call them tear up. Sake of say Friday, we go lock shop, carry key go. But based on say with the service with information, we go keep our ear for ground. We don't gather action to the way they carry for inside Nigeria political boxing ring. The matter go hot. No waste time. My name now is Ogo Chokwode. And as usual, I know the lonely side studio. I deal with my brother. When Sabi was say politics matter as in a hall.
Yes, my brightful Monday morning to our wonderful viewers. Welcome to that and the terrible edition of our Bonga program as in a hot. And with all the turn us in this terrible edition. Now we'll go launch all the issues where they trending, where happen over the weekend, so that at least time for any of our viewers we probably don't know what they happen for you in Nigeria. You go feel key in and also understand say yes. So now see what they happen. I mean I buy 5 minds. So we get 5 5 stories all go sunshine now. And by the time we sunshine now these stories now, if we pick 1 or 2 out of them, okay, can also give our own point. And apart from that, we get 3 solid telephone line for now, 1 to 3 line. To free line they very free all the time. I did very free for just call and them talk on our talk. At the end of the day, now we go handle the payment. My name never change. My name remains Onkubi, and this is Ask the Hot.
Make we no waste time. Make we go straight into the discussion. We don't carry command. The first story in our story when we say when Nigerians see that picture or the photo, people come begin to discuss, they debate. They say, what is wrong with this picture? Is it okay? Is it normal? But official information don't come out to tell Nigerians say make nobody worry, make tension no day, and make everybody mind settle down because of say that picture, now true picture and a real picture. Which picture are they talk about? President Muhammadu Buhari for dining table with delegation of APC leaders. Governor Rochas Okorocha dey inside, Governor Nasiru El-Rufai dey inside, Tanko Al-Makura too dey inside, and also the Honorable Minister of Transport, Oga Rotimi Amechi. Also, the leader of the All Progressives Congress, that is the chairman, Oga John Odige Oyegun, himself follow for that particular delegation. And they meet with President Muhammadu Buhari. According to Oga Rochas Okorocha, we say give the information of what happened for that their dining table meeting. He come and talk say, President Muhammadu Buhari see they talk the way we say they talk based on say he see they see things from the funny angle. He see they talk like say man, no worry at all. And say he got one time when they come talk about say President, they talk say you know if you talk your health. Say Oga President don't laugh, say nothing like that. But some Nigerians don't come and talk say say the kind of play where they see Maradona, see Ronaldo, Lionel Messi play for inside Nigeria political boxing ring. He be like say the thing they cause confusion. Oh, una talk say he go come back anytime when in doctor talk say he don't dey fit to come back. They say when be the time exactly when he go come back? When Nigerians go they expect to see him? Other people come and talk say make it not be like say confusion dey inside our setup because we get acting president when suppose they do the work when they do. All these things now unnecessary distraction. Now you go talk your mind and say concerning this photo of President Muhammadu Buhari for dining table. No go anywhere and still ask it hurt.
Yes, and the next story get to do with the kidnap pupils of at least Igbonla for Ekpe. At least the acting president don't come and don't give us that guarantee. Say in no time, wait now I talk. In no time, say the pupils that they actually kidnapped, like a couple of weeks back, say they go come back to their parents. We are very much aware. Say these people at least then be about 6 boys, 6 students. Where at least we kidnappers enter into their school, do it, conduct a very intensive investigation, can't succeed in carrying these boys then come out or to say then kidnap them. I would also see a lot of dramas we don't play out as a result of this. We don't see the parents of these children come out, cry, do everything where they feel do possibly to ensure that at least their pikin come home. They don't gather money, save money, even present money about 10 million naira to this kidnapper. Say, I beg, they beg. I mean, I just leave our children there. Then, but still, they know all these things, all these attempts they don't make, all to no avail. Because then the kidnapper tell and say, look, if not be the amount, if not be the amount where they demand for, say them, may they don't even think, say they will do it, they will even think of releasing these children. And apart from that, they call even the demand for this thing, for communication with the governor of the state. Say, now, Ambode himself, they won't follow Yan onto this rescue, onto the kid, the release of this particular pupils them. And at least the acting president don't come assure us, say, look, oh, men are not worried, men are relaxed. Say these children then, where they kidnapped some weeks back. So very soon, in no time, just be like dream. They will come back to their respective parents then. Now, what you get to do with the pupils where they kidnapped some weeks back and waiting the acting president don't talk about that.
From that particular story, we go give una gist as it take concern updates about the one we been discussed last week. Una go remember say last week Monday we been put two leg for ground. Come talk say for inside Lagos State on the 22nd of July they go do local government election. Saturday 22nd of July don't pass. The election don't come. The election don't go. Based on all the results when we say LISEC, the joint body when they do election inside Lagos State, based on say okay, INEC na the senior brother will give them power to do them. They don't come out come announce say the All Progressives Congress then sweep according to the result wey they don bring out now, then sweep all the whole local government and councillorship elections. And dem come talk say e get some wey dem still dey try compile make the thing no be like say wahala dey. But some people don come and come say this thing just be like RNG pattern, because e be like say e get places wey be say dem talk say okay, this candidate wey dey this political party im dey do well and people go come out to support am, but the way wey be say the result take happen na so the thing take happen. On top of as result we dey talk am say the local government na very important level of government. In fact, the same power when we say the federal and the state get to use touch lives based on say democracy and our government when we say everybody supposed to involved, e also carry plenty power or even more, because if we get 774 local governments we get defined functions unto say primary health care, primary school, environment and some other things when we say go better the life of people. If they do am well, we go begin the series and nobody go dey call governor or they call presido to come carry action when we say local government supposed to. And when they give una update as it take concern this particular election, but as it take concern the election for inside Lagos State, the All Progressives Congress na then carry upper hand for that particular election based on as they
Yes, the main oga of army for our Obodo Nigeria, that's Oga Buratai, don't come out talk say look, say if they give Nigerians 40 days ultimatum. That is not like guarantee, rest assured guarantee. Say, look, 40 days guarantee, this thing, ultimatum, now they actually assure, say, in 40 days, we will capture, of that is this thing, the Jaguda leader of Boko Haram, the factional Jaguda leader of Boko Haram, and Shekau, say, because at least they don't at least ensure, say, the capture and they successful, say, they don't close up on them. And then if we also look, when this government actually come into place, we actually see, say, yes, they make a lot of promises we get to do with the insecurity, especially the area of Boko Haram, and so they will address that. And we don't see at least transition, we don't see results down the line from since where they enter. And then for this to be coming out from the Oga of Army, also go give Nigeria that level of assurance, okay, if we don't actually see some level of at least result as a result of the promise way the present government don't make. So at least with this ultimatum way Oga Buratai they give us, say if they guarantee say in no time, in 40 days or even before the 40 days, say Shekau will be a man of it. He could just be a captured man. So make we anticipate, and also they support government, they support our gallant soldier people. So that in the trying to ensure that at least we bring down Boko Haram, we bring down insecurity, at least they will see their own result also achieve.
Our final story get to do with plenty money when we say we discussed last week. 243 billion naira. I need to open my eye if I call this money. 243 billion naira. When we say the federal government look finish conduct, say okay, according to the excess deductions when we deduct from the Paris Club refund, make we return them, give our states them. And the conduct say for inside this thing when we return 75%, I beg, we take go beg una. Don't be say we do check, we take go beg una, make una pay salaries. Now the Nigerian Labour Congress don't come out, come direct all of the state chapters. Say make them wear their boots well, because this money, as federal government they share and give these states, make them really ensure say they use this money, pay salary, and they use the money what they call judiciously. Make it not be like say the money will come end up for one person pocket. And we can't come here and they talk and say, if the people don't lose hope and faith in government because of the kind of bad parties when they happen for government, it go get opportunity when go come, when you go try correct that particular thing. This one not be long and short story. If to pay salary go restore confidence and let people know say okay, this government really dey committed to ensuring say that they protect the interests of the people, make una begin dey pay the salary, and we dey call on labour too. This one not be just initial gra. No be say una talk say we watch, and under una know the thing go come happen. Make una make sure say this 243 billion naira una ensure say they use that money do wetin they don't agree with government say they go do, so that Nigerian workers dem no go continue to dey suffer. Una don hear 5 of our action to read them. I go just take them small, so that when we go this break up, I will not waste. I will just enter the phone line straight and they discuss the matter. They go. The first story get to do with the fact say APC governors and also the chairman of the APC, Oga Oyegun, carry waka go visit President Muhammadu Buhari for inside the United Kingdom. We tell you now of the picture where we say they sit down for dining table, fruit dey that table. Every kind better food when we say go give you nourishment so that you no go dey go outside, go collect treatment. E dey on top of that particular table. And we dey talk say, no need to argue go front, argue come back. We get acting president, make we support our acting president, and make we continue to dey pray, say President Muhammadu Buhari make him come back in sound health of mind and body to carry on with the plenty work when we say him dey do. We also discuss the 40-day ultimatum when we say the Oga Kpatakpata of army for inside Obodo Nigeria, Oga Tokoborotai, give the army people say in 40 days make una smoke out Oga Shekau, the leader of Boko Haram Jaguda people, anywhere when he dey inside this country or Obodo the world. Is either say una catch am alive or una bring am come say okay na him be this, we don complete our work on top of him particular body. They talk say make Nigerians just continue to support the army them so that in 40 days we go begin the wait to see this particular result. From now we discuss the Ekpe 6. Today make am 60 days when we say these people these bad people don't carry them come up for our place. And because Professor Yemi Oshiba, you don't chook one for the matter, people don't get plenty opinion come and conduct say make everybody calm down. Say these people they will still come home. From now on talk of local government elections for inside Lagos State. Whether people get hope and people get faith in government now, make government do well, make people they see result. And the final one get to do with the 243 billion naira when we say the Labour don't direct the state chapters when they do everything they do to use the ensure say they spend this money well. Make we rush go this break, come back. We no go waste time. We'll throw the phone lines open straight. I'm going to discuss the matter based on Ask Ide. Oh, it's
Come, what's your problem? Wetin dey worry you? Why be say wetin every time you just try act as if this thing? What exactly is wrong with you? It should be if you get cough, talk. Make you know what you go do. We just every time you just put all kind of drama inside them break where you won't go. What is your problem?
The matter they hot now. You know they know the rush they chop.
You know if you just talk and think what must it be? We could go for break. What kind of cough you get?
I don't know what you carry for mind this morning. No.
It's a Monday morning, I beg. Make we dey sane. Make we talk issues.
So na me no
that's why I need to do. I care. That's why I ask you this question: whether if something is wrong somewhere.
Face the topic on carry come.
Thank you. Yes, and welcome back, our lovely viewers. The program that Ask the Hot, we always tell and say Ask the Hot. That political program where they do it, where they searching out issues that happen for Obodo Nigeria. And then on today's matter, we'll carry 5 solid stories and do it in Sunshine. We'll tell about the APC governors and the chairman of APC, that's Oga Oyegu. We'll carry go visit Oga President for London, and we'll also see at least some pictures where actually indicate say yes, they actually sit down with Oga President, they do it, they talk. And then maybe also clear this particular part. As long as the Oga President don't do your own constitutional responsibility of handing over to the acting president, that is the vice president, they will not become acting president now. At least the major thing is now for us to do it, see governance, and that's the government, they move forward. And from there, we also tell about the kidnapped and the 6 pupils that are kidnapped for that is Ebola Ekpe. The acting president also come and give Nigerians assurance, say very, very soon, say this kidnapped pupils go do it, go come back to their respective home. I can also tell about the local government election we play out over the weekend, and at least how the result, how the election take go. We can also tell about the 243 billion naira from the Paris Fund low where we say where at least we they don't consider to give, where they don't actually share to governors, and the NLC, well, that is Nigerian Labour Congress, don't give directives to their state chapter. Say look, see as long as we don't hear say this money, now they want to go and pay workers. Say make them ensure say for their various states, make them make sure say they monitor them to ensure that at least the governors pay this particular money, make no go end up for one child the same way they end up before. And finally, we can also tell about the assurance where the chief of army staff, that Oga Brutai, we don't give Nigeria, say in 40 days. We repeat, in 40 days, say Shekau will be the terrorist, that is the leader of Boko Haram, say they go capture her and they go ensure say they bring her to book. These are the 5 stories that we don't search now. And our phone lines go there very open now for now to do it. Call and contribute to our own quarter. Any of the stories you're interested in now, me now contribute to them.
From this particular last story where you give, it go good make we point them out, say if we won't find final solution to this issue of terrorism inside the world of Nigeria, plenty people get different role when we say they go play.
Of course.
We as the people must tell ourselves, say, okay, well, this country when we dey, na country wey belong to all of us, and so therefore we must all contribute to see how we go take fit make our country better. No be say we go dey do am make e better for here, some people go dey do am make e spoil for here. Everybody need to do everything wey dem fit do to use ensure say the thing better. Then number two, the leaders suppose let everybody get sense of belonging. Make everybody feel say, okay, indeed, oh, this country really belong to all of us. And all of us, if as we dey contribute, we dey see the benefit of say we dey live together as one united people. Our soldier people themselves, they don't do a lot. For several years.
Enough commitment.
Exactly. For several years, we don't dey drag this particular fight. Say, okay, oh, we dey fight Boko Haram Jabula people who want comot terrorism for this our country. We see some stages when it be like say things hard, but we don't see progress when we say we don't make. So at least our soldier people them they do a lot, but they need to still do more because if you check out some of the tactics when we say these people they use as we defeat them for A, they won't try see how they fit jump go B, and we believe our army people with the intelligence and the fact say for Africa we be number one. From the way when we say they don't show for examples of peacekeeping missions outside Nigeria, it they make plenty sense at all. Then after that particular one, they get one very important thing we go note, and that thing we go note now say if we capture or kill Abubakar Shekau, as they don't talk, as you know, mandate our soldier people them in the next 40 days. You know me say this thing don't
exactly,
end. Because we get plenty brothers and sisters, millions of them went there for internally displaced people's camps. These people we suppose see how we go take reintegrate them back inside our society. Take care of these people, make you know come be like say
when this bad people come for their own country exactly.
And when these bad people come tomorrow, you know come be like say and they try and encourage these people to join them. Oga Polycarp all the way from Enugu. Good morning and welcome to As It Hot.
Good morning, my people.
Good morning, Oga Polycarp.
Happy New Week.
We wish you the same.
First of all, I don't believe the Vice President. Because after all these days or months or weeks, they didn't do anything about that just kidnapped students. Maybe now he's not a magician. He has no guarantee of how they will be able to bring them those kids back. So he better do more work than telling us that kind of hook and bull story. Then the issue of Buhari and dining with the local governors of the APC. It's unfortunate that they are now trying to extend London. These are money they are wasting. Even the wife of the president supposed to be with his husband. You say here they tell us lion and the tiger hyena. A sick lion is no use to the animal kingdom. A healthy monkey is more bigger than a sick lion. They should do what is going on there. I don't know what they plan they're hatching there. We're wasting our money. The aircraft the back there is not wasting our money. Another thing. APC said they want to bring down Shane. Now they're going from grass to grass. One man for over here can say AP is not APC. Didn't put any plan on ground when they won the election. That's why they didn't know what they're doing. So all this so-called change now is a waste of our money. Please, let the government do something. Thank you all.
Thank you very much, Oga Polycarp. We don't hear your talk on top of this particular issue. Well, when we get to do with the 6 pupils of Igbonla College, as long as we don't see guarantee coming from at least the acting president, say, look, make Nigerians relax, say they will can't do it, they go soon release those picking them. At least make also in that same vein, get faith from ground, say yes, as long as the acting president will put man for this particular matter, then for us also support the cause in ensuring say this picking them, all these children come back to their respective home. We got Ogo Biora. Good morning, Ogo Biora. Welcome to As It Hot. We greet you, Ogo Biora.
I got one thing for 2 issues. One is our APC leaders going to London. All of us are supposed to remember that our president go for medical attendance there. He didn't go there to rest so that we'll be receiving August visitors there. Go there for medical treatment. So if he's well and okay to receive visitors, let him come back to Nigeria. Let this stop wasting our money. So we thank God as we see the picture, we see that our president can stand, can sit down, we thank God. Then the second thing is this frontal order to capture Shekau. Shekau is a person among the all Boko Haram. So when you look at what is happening right now at Southern Kaduna, it's exactly what is happening before at Borno State. In the night, you will see a helicopter dropping down there, dropping something, food and other things. Before you know it, in the morning, you see that they attack people. So if that our government cannot arrest these so-called Fulani headmen. And they are telling us that they want to capture Shekau within 40 days. What are they going to do with him? Why many thousands of them are there in Southern Kaduna, all parts of the country, killing people? So let them remove Shekau as a person, go to terrorists, eliminate all of them. Thank you, have enough.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for this important contribution. Just like we talk, say terrorism, you know, if you tie them down to one particular person, but to a considerable degree, this particular person, if we try to come out the person for the equation, it will affect the confidence of these particular people from Yola Moko enter inside Abuja. Ogabari, good morning and welcome to Aside Hot. Ogabari, I beg if you get a chance, make you call us back and make your contribution. But the angle where we come focus on past now, say, make we look the humanitarian crisis. Humanitarian crisis now, the bad thing when they affect people as a result of what terrorism don't cause inside the Nigeria. If we don't find solution to that particular one, it go dey easy for bad people to come tell them, say, after all, now you will they fight for. Come join us, and these people go join. So make we put all the plans in place to use the short say, as we succeed for A, we go succeed for B. As we succeed for A, we work on B at the same time, so that it go dey easy for us to see results. On the comment of the Vice President as they concern the Ekpe 6, we go take the word of the Vice President and we go hold them with confidence. But we must also hold them accountable for everything when we say they don't talk. Today, I make 60 days since these children, the only offense where they commit because they say they go school, go learn. And that one not supposed to be offense at all. These bad people, when they do this thing, with the praise, may God touch them and then get change of heart. But we must ensure, say, this badness is stop for our society. We don't want a situation when we say, we'll come, they count down. Say, okay, this number of days don't go. People, then carry them forcibly for where they go study, carry them enter place when we say, we don't know. Inside this our country. So we must improve on our security to use the ensure, say, Nigerians will get confidence, say that they're safe anywhere when they're inside the world of Nigeria. Acting President Yemi Osinbajo, you don't talk, but our eyes they open, we they watch, and we go hold you accountable for this statement when we say you don't make.
Yeah, so straight up, we don't see within what we get to do is them at least within the acting president talk and them at least the Brutai own. And but before we go further, we could collect this call from Chima. Chima, they call us from Umar here. Good morning, Chima. Welcome to Aside Hot.
Good morning.
Yes, we hear you. Talk to us.
Good morning.
Good morning, Chima.
Chima, reduce the volume of your television.
I did for my television. Hello?
Oh, yeah,
Okay, continue. They hear you.
Good morning.
Good morning.
What I want to contribute is that the little experience I get for security side. It be like say sometimes when you want capture a person, like as Burata I talk now, when you want capture a person, you can't make the announcement for radio, both television, everywhere. The person go see say, this person don't get plan for me, or make I find another way to hide. So understand? So nobody say when Burata come for television or come they make the announcement or they write them for paper, they won't go capture the chief of Boko Haram. But everybody will not say in the work. Don't be like that. If you want to go arrest them, what is supposed to? You go plan for your own self and go do the job. And by the time you make him catch the man, you go now bring him out. Say, yes, I don't do this work. That's what work supposed to be. Not be said to come make noise for television or radio.
Ogachima, we don't know your important contribution, but it go good make we correct certain perceptions. Like we talk, ultimatum na English word. Ultimatum na say, okay, we dey give this particular period and say we won't carry out one particular action. And if they charge our soldier people there, even though some people go talk, say all these kind of things, somehow, you know, suppose they come out for news because it go result in say, okay, then to go begin they check their own plan. But it go good make we dey for warfare, get what they call psychological warfare. For those of us who study anything we get to do with military.
Keep quiet, don't do. We don't do psychological warfare. What is your problem?
Military background, I'm at
just talk say at least the military go use their intelligence. No as they will take capture. Which can be for those of us who get intelligence, security, background check, and whatever it is. What is your problem? I beg. Okay, John, talk to us, Joe. Good morning. Okay, John. Good morning. Would they hear you?
Yeah. Good morning.
Yes.
Happy New Week.
I wish you the same.
Okay. I want to contribute about this our president.
Okay, we hear you. Right on.
Okay. Chipotle, are you there?
We hear you. Continue, Oga John.
Okay. This is our president. This is our country, and I see no reason why our president will just go out of the country and stay for so long time like this. It's very, very unfair. You understand? This is APC. They are just using political propaganda on way, just playing game. How can then just move there to see Buhari? It is very shameful thing to Nigeria. This is a country, a nation, not even a state. It's very shameful thing for our president to lie outside, tie everything down, and they are not contributing for any good. And
Oga John,
contribute on that issue of Sheka or whatever.
Yeah.
These people now, the foundation is from that APC to destroy what is the name? Our former president. Good luck. Our former president regime. But unfortunately, this man foreign, and they continue to suppress him. I'm just telling you the fact.
Okay, Oga John, you're telling us the fact. Where the facts come from? China, you get visible evidence to prove, say, yes, now waiting happen with that. I mean, not just talk where you hear from somebody.
See, you people there, the fact is that they are paying your money and you are there and you cannot talk. You cannot talk more than what they tell you. Because you know you know the truth. You cannot appreciate even to food. You are trying. It could be you're not helping this country.
Okay, John, well, we don't note your important contribution on top of this particular matter. But like we don't talk.
John, thank you very much for that contribution.
Make it very, very clear. Say facts they to prove
exactly.
the kind of when we talk. But we enter inside Joss, collect this call. Oga John, I hope say okay. Oga Samuel, welcome to Ask the Hot.
Oga Samuel, good morning.
Oga Samuel, you did here. I beg if you get chance, call us back, make your contribution on top of this particular matter when we discuss. If we look the one we get to do with Oga Presido, it go good make we look at beyond the picture of Oga Presido. Oga Polycarp make one very important point. He talk say, Oga Obiora, he talk say, if Oga Presido don't do well enough to receive visitors, then he's supposed to come back house, make we ensure say things they work. But then, remember say we talk say we get acting Presido. Some people don't argue say, make we make government strong to the point where we say, you know, go be like say, now one person, now be Lord and Master, or now they control government. Make you know be say, if we look this person, if the person no dey, now wahala don dey. If we institutionalize government to this point, say government too like strong for ground, any better person wey enter inside government go do well because the institution dey very, very strong, and the person go bring the own creativity and intelligence and the passion to serve to use to say government work well. It go good make we tell ourselves the truth, and the truth now say the people of Nigeria expect more from those when they government. The reason why they expect more now because of say all the times we don't give them opportunity. When I say them, I mean all the whole political party. All the times we don't give them opportunity to represent us. It just be like say somehow they don't fail us. So Nigerians, they expect people to do plenty to use say okay, well, government really they work and the government they work. We get Chima don't come back. We got Chima. Welcome back to Ask the Hot.
Hello.
Yes, we hear you, Chima. Continue.
Hello.
Yeah, continue, Chima. Chima, you did they hear us? I continue, talk, could they hear you?
See, you know, I asked that question last time. If you listen to network, I know everything on the talk.
Okay.
What I thought we say, I talk in form of advice. Because sometimes some person say in one arrest maybe a criminal or a kidnapper. He's not supposed to inform people. We not be press that kind of a person. When you will be press that when we hear this kind of person don't arrest this person unexpected, maybe people don't even know. And that time when we go say this person they do good job. That is the thing where
Oga Chima, we actually get your point, and just as my brother Chuku they talk, he no come and talk say see the strategy we want to take do it in, see the strategy we want to carry out to take capture Shekau. But the major thing we say at least there's what is called ultimatum. The same way they hold our governors, they hold president accountable. Say okay, now give us a particular ultimatum. Say between this period and this period, now we'll do things like this. Now the same way he also talk say between this period though and to this particular period, now we want to carry out our own plan, intensive plan to capture. But the details of the plan, no be our problem. He don't give us the durations now between this period. So I see nothing wrong in the information where the chief of army staff give. But the major thing is say the content of how they want to do them, it no concern us.
Okay. Hello?
Yes.
Thank you very much, Oga Chiba.
Thank you very much, Oga Chiba.
Oga Chigozie, good morning. Thank you for your patience. Welcome to Ask the Hot.
Good morning.
Good morning, Chigozie.
I hear the time when they say make the guy give proof, might give on a small proof where show say PC they do the thing. But first of all, I start from kidnapping girls.
Okay.
I find this woman now. I know she am again. Not be as a person. Make him come bring back our school girls. I be this one no be students. Now all these things where they use campaign against good law that time where that guy they tell you that he say no proof. That time our president will be president now. Will not be president. That say killing where they kill not then they kill. Now we see talk that time. And the time where they say make them negotiate, Boko Haram saying Buhari go represent them. You know here that one the evidence of say they know what's best. You know, say when you form something, that thing free backside against you. The thing happen even all those politicians. You go see they go use some boys do bad thing where they do to come to power. After those boys no go return those guns or all those weapons where they give them. So if you probably want to know this thing where that guy tell them, you don't hear the thing why I tell you.
Well, I go still stand there talk say look, a lot of things where would they hear are things where we say as long as we don't get visible evidences, as long as we don't feel say this thing they concrete, see where it coming from, then for us where they hear, it go still they very void. We don't go feel the talk say he did this thing. Now as long as now until it they very authentic say see what they be.
They do bring back our guests. That waiting be that man wait talk say na them they sponsor them.
Who?
The one of APC member that time before that woman come saying alive.
Oga Chigozie, we appreciate this your contribution. The reason why we get as it now make people talk their mind as it take concern any matter, and we appreciate say you don't talk your mind. Oga Segun, they call us all the way from Kano. Good morning and welcome to Aside Hot.
Good morning, Oga Kubi and Chigozie.
Good morning, Mr. Segun.
Yeah, I work now.
We try.
So what do you want to talk now because of this Lagos State local government election?
Okay.
Honestly, me I'm not very happy for what thing happen. Honestly, because this thing has been happening in Nigeria.
Okay.
The local government, why one party go always defeat the whole state is very, very unfair. We should checkmate this thing and change our attitude to governance. One. Secondly, I want to talk about this picture where these APC people they go send us from London. We don't big part all this rubbish. Make we do things as people who want to develop. It's just like we don't want to develop at all. Okay, you go see the president. This is the president of Nigeria. Now the only people who they with here, your own party member, now they go see him. It's very, very wrong. If you want to go this kind of visit, go with other party members. One. If you don't want to go with other party members, why not have a video, even if it is 10 seconds video, or even if it is 15 seconds video, to show that this thing is real. You're not going to bring picture for us. We have banana game of president front. You know the picture of banana. You will just be laughing. And if you take the picture very well, you have to know the president just laugh. Other people are just doing one thing or the other. And thirdly, this motivation where the chief of army staff did. So all those things, we know all these things are propaganda. And I don't know where they swear to count this. If they want to bring them, they will bring them to us. If they don't want to bring them, let them keep them where they keep them. We know what's happening in this country.
Okay, Segun, thank you very much for this your contribution. But in the end, we will still talk and say, if we defeat terrorism, now all of us will be sleep with two eyes closed because when badness come, you know they know which party, you know they know which place you come from. Death, God forbid, they'll go come and it go take anybody when the thing will affect at that particular time. So when we do everything what we do to use support our soldier people them to see say, once and for all we put an end to terrorism. We go rush enter inside this small break. When we go this break, come back. Our 5 stories still they come up plenty smoke, and the discussion still they go based on us, they.
You know the hear word. You know the hear word. What is your problem?
Welcome back to Aside Hot. Here's the good Chukuri inside studio, and we don't sound you now with 5 of the action to do when they come and smoke inside Nigeria political boxing. The first one, the photo of President Muhammadu Buhari at table, in sit down for dining table, banana there for in front. Things when we say that we
watermelon.
Watermelon. when dem fit swallow to dey
bottles
alright
of mineral.
dey in front
Exactly.
make im body for dey fresh and im dey with some APC governors. We see Nasiru El-Rufai for inside the picture. We see Tanko Almakura. We also see the chairman of the APC Governors Forum, Rochas Okorocha, and also the chairman of APC as a political party, Chief John Oyegun. They talk say Honorable Rotimi Amechi, the Minister for Transport, also follow for that particular delegation. And they don't come out and talk say President Muhammadu Buhari just they laugh those wey talk say he no fit sit down where he know where say no dey okay. And he don't come out and talk say in doctors as soon as they certify and fit, he go return back inside of Nigeria. So people they come and talk say all these things now unnecessary distraction. Shey we don't get Aso Rock United Kingdom branch. Why e be say we get acting president and e go come be like say sometimes when they want distract us, they will carry the matter go. But remember, support acting president Yemi Osinbajo because President Muhammadu Buhari transmit letter to National Assembly say he go dey act on my behalf and pray for our president so that the work when he starting go finish am. Because this corruption fight we must see it to a logical conclusion. From now we enter local government elections for inside Lagos State. People don't come and come talk say e just be like say we never still ready to get local government when we say they're strong and they go do their work well. And we dey talk say make Nigerians come out, they participate for the process of election so that we will get the right people they inside government. From now we talk about the Ekpe 6. So they make them 60 days since these people Jaguda kidnappers don't carry them come out from us. And Professor Yemi Osinbajo don't come and come talk say very soon they go return home. We go hold this word and we go begin the count. Make we begin the see result as they concern this matter. And it's 243 billion when we tell you now last week say federal government won't give back to the states as they concern excess deductions for Paris reform. Say Nigeria Labour Congress don't direct the state chapters made a chook eye for this particular money and see say the states them use and pay salary as they take agree. And the final one, the 40-day ultimatum, where we say the Oga Controller of Army inside of Nigeria talk up or tie, don't give our soldier people say Oga Shekau, the leader of Boko Haram Jaguda, bad wicked people, make them ensure say they capture that dead or alive.
Chukwudi, we don't hear all the stories, and I know so we'll actually dwell on a couple of the stories. But then one other one which is very, very important we also need to talk about got to do with at least the 243 billion Paris excess refund. And I would also see the directive way NLC, that is Nigeria Labour Congress, don't actually give on this particular matter to their chapters for every state where they involved. So look, men are carrying an ear put for ground, say at least they don't give directive say this money, say now salary just make them take and pay. Any attempt to say they channel the money to and that thing, make NLC for that state, make them not agree. And at least we know the responsibility of NLC. Now they are at least to fight for the rights of workers and all that. But then, normal things suppose at least there are certain things where we say we're not supposed to tell people. We do not talk say we get people where we say we elect as leaders to come the rule. At least the rule that ensures that things they go well for state. Nobody's supposed to tell and say, look, see what you're supposed to do. If you don't own workers for months, I repeat, for months, not one, not two, not three, it is your responsibility as a leader to at least ensure that you pay these people. Not be all come they tell you what they do. You they collect your own salary. Nobody they question that one. But people when they work for you to bring that money where they collect, you know they even treat their own salary as well. Okay, John. Welcome back.
Now this one not me the talk now.
No verse, okay, John.
I want to just chip in just a little something.
Okay, right now they hear you.
Now.
Continue.
Okay, please, to help the issue. Nobody get too heavy. To help the issue, at least they say these people show us video. If even they motivate us more. You understand me? If they motivate us more. But this one a picture. But what I do want to ask, what I just want to talk, make just Nigeria or APC, also make it open. If the Buhari don't die, make them let us know. Make our acting president just sign what we need to declare our Biafra.
Ogajo, you don't chip this talk in and we don't note your contribution.
You very much.
But like we talk, we don't see photo of the President Muhammadu Buhari. He meet with Owele Rochas Okorocha. He meet with Nasiru El-Rufai. He meet with Tanko Almakura, John Oyegun, and also Rotimi Amechi. According to the picture when we see, he sit down for that particular place. And from the gist or the official statement now say, and when they talk say, your health, this and that, he laugh the matter. And he still they talk the way we say, he still like to talk. Auto fun, laughter, and enjoyment. And when they talk that say, support the acting president when we say, before he come out, he do the right thing, right letter, give National Assembly say, give am powers to do wetin e wan do, and we dey see the result of the plenty work wey e dey do. And also the one wey be say we talk say make we continue to dey pray, because we get family members too. Everybody will dey pray make people grow old for their family. And if we come dey wish one person bad, e go be like say e dey somehow. Remember say everything wey we dey do, we must keep Nigeria for our mind. Only Nigeria.
Yes.
Because this country na the country wey be say if we do all the thing wey we fit do, everybody contribute im own. Other countries for this world, they go dey jealous us because God don bless us and with abundant resources. We get Obi on top of our telephone line. Oga Omi Modi.
Oga Modi, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Oga Modi. We dey hear you talk to us.
Nkobe, good morning.
Good morning.
Nkobe, good morning.
I dey hear you. If your television dey on, bring the volume down.
Okay, good morning.
We dey hear you. Good morning.
What I want to contribute is that concern those people where these guys them kidnap.
Okay. Kidnappers.
Yeah, if we don't pay for 60 days for the
For Lagos,
You know, sometimes this country, what did they tell me? We say to negotiate to save life, they're very, very difficult. But if not to give our money, you know, they're very difficult to give up. Understand? How many days now? We get police for Lagos, we get army for Lagos, we get everything as security agencies for Lagos. Now, since that time till now, none of them, they not even make any attempt. Now, president, now our vice president,
acting president,
won't make the attempt, which is very, very bad. Yeah, I don't like it. Understand? So if they don't know their work, make them put price for television. You go see all the street boys wait for Lagos go now say they go pay, they go get those boys. That is what I want to contribute there. Thank you.
Oga Modi, thank you very much for this important contribution. You don't come and talk and say, if indeed we want to say the people now the priority, that is the people now the apple of the eyes of government, we must do more to give them confidence, say indeed government really care about them. You talk say if not to do this other one now, when go put us in plenty trouble, because some people go just they enrich themselves while the rest go they suffer. It is very, very easy. But like we talk, the acting president don't intervene, he don't step in. Now I mean say the matter don't reach top position. Why would they pray say make these people come back home safely? We go also continue to put pressure on the acting president and the Lagos State government and everybody. Say when they do everything what they do to use ensure say they bring these children them come home, and it go good make every state self begin to look from this one, they learn too, so that it not go be say tomorrow it go be the turn of another state. We got Stephen from Lagos. Good morning and welcome to As It Is Hot. You don't pursue him now.
No, why go they call
no, you don't.
What do you see for screen?
What do you believe
Celestine?
Celestine, Stephen, in. Celestine,
now right we do here. Which one is Celestine? Stephen.
You know what I name now? Celestine Stevens.
Celestine, now they call Stephen.
You know what I name now?
Celestine. Mix up
You know what I name now? Celestine.
Because I call him Stephen. That's why I vex.
You pursue him now.
Why would you be calling me Stephen?
I said Stephen, Celestine. You pursue him. The guy come fear. Stephen, the name even match your name. Celestine.
Oh, person give him picking name finish. You won't come give your own name. Can't choose the name.
Give us evidence. Say now only Celestine be his only name. Oh yeah. Shebi now you ask for evidence. Give us
what
evidence.
What do we see for screen here?
Give us evidence.
What did they?
Say Celestine na your only name. The one when Oga Chigos dey tell you nko. Give us evidence, Mr. Evidence. Evidence man. Give us evidence now. No, give us evidence.
See,
somebody want make contribution now. I give am name. You know what that baptismal name now, Stephen?
No, be baptismal name. Don't wait, take your own eyes witness.
How can you prove it?
Don't wait, take your eye. See,
give us evidence.
Enough of the
no, give us evidence.
Let's go enter into some issues. Issues they hold it. No.
Now you go use Celestine. No. Person come out. You know why you get people calling them the team strong? Celestine. The guy come out. Celestine. They use strong voice. They call person name. Celestine, Stephen, in.
They talk. I don't talk about local government. I mean, I don't talk about money waste governors. No, they agree pay their workers. Put man for that one.
Which man? We don't know the people when they owe money pass.
We
know the states that when they owe pass. Change. We know the states when they owe pass.
I think you talk something. Now,
no.
You don't twist stand. The same way I don't talk, you should contribute your own mouth. What is your problem?
We know the states when they owe pass. Why your people?
I want to tell them to make them sure to them pay.
Oga Shegun, they call us from Kano. Oga Shegun, welcome back to As It Is Hot.
Well, good morning again. Good morning.
Yes, today, yeah, Oga Shegun, welcome back.
So, fine. Too good, you don't do that.
I hear you, continue.
I want to talk about this local government election.
Okay.
My brother, that thing, society has said they prepare me for body. Because this local government election of 18 is very, very important. So we Nigerians, we go come out, we go to show more interest for this local government election. Like my parents did for Lagos, in my local government.
Okay.
That day, I called almost all my brothers. Nobody go vote. They did for us. I was trying to educate them the importance of this local government election. They said one way they go do before. What did they get from it? Yeah? They are not even believing that there will be hope that things is going to change. Nobody will believe that one again. Everyone believes we will go there as we did. But it's very, very wrong. Secondly, what do you expect from a governor like Ambode, who openly is fighting against autonomy for local government? What do you expect from him? It's this kind of result. So I know fully well that the election in Lagos is full with magu-magu. There is no sincerity in that election. Because I'm following that election, some of the candidates, I'm following them on TV. So I see some guys say they get things to offer. But where are they today?
Oga Segun, we appreciate this your important contribution. You talk one very important thing, say you be dey try to reach your family members to encourage them on the importance of participating. We go address that issue, but we will take Oga Olu from Ondo. Oga Olu, good morning and welcome to Asiri Hot.
Good morning, how are you?
Good day,
Oga Olu, you don't take small, oh. We appreciate.
Talk, we hear you, Oga
Olu. To 2 or 3 things.
Okay.
Number one, about the president.
Okay.
Nigeria, I don't know what is wrong with the followers in this country. This man has transferred the power to the artist president. Let us support this man and move this country forward. Anybody can see. And this man is there, he has transferred the power to the artist president. Why we Nigeria are discussing about it? Instead of us to pray for that way to succeed. Therefore, the local government, this thing has been happening. Not only Lagos State, they have been happening throughout the whole federation. Unless they change the system, it's not only Lagos State, this thing has been happening. So let us try to see what we are seeing, say the right thing at the right time. Let us try to move this country forward. So we cannot because party A or party B. Hungary doesn't know anybody. It doesn't know maybe PDP or APC. Let us pray and move this country forward and see the result. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much,
Oga. Thank you very much for this your important contribution. You don't talk well as you take concern this matter. We like the way you take end and say, make we pray so that the good things go there. But you also talk and say we need to work and change the system so that the system go be one when we say as we dey work we go dey see result. Not be say we go just dey be like say we dey put things inside and we no dey see anything at the end of the day. We go just quickly just tell una say 5 of the action today we carry come. People don't talk their mind as they concern this matter, and we go still continue these conversations because this country belongs to all of us, and it go good make we dey show interest for things when we say they affect us inside the border Nigeria. If una hear all these our stories, una go see say na still matter when we say we go see dey discuss throughout the month of August or go even reach end of the year. But one thing wey we suppose carry for mind na say make we always dey positive in our thinking. If we dey think or if we dey reason matter, make we dey reason am in the way wey we say na result na we dey find. And not be just to just reason out like that because that one will come to dreaming. Make we also dey work to see say we dey see this our result. Remember say we dey talk about top as they all say Nigeria and our country e no go spoil. Make we join our hand together to move this our country forward. We no get any other country except this our great country Nigeria. So the little way you fit to do am, everything when we join together will give us big results. Unkobi.
Yes, tomorrow we'll come again with another interesting subject and topic from us. Now bye bye.
We topic and subject. Now the confusion we always they see for Nigeria. We come tomorrow
inside
with
topic,
subject and topic. What is the subject and
what is the
between subject and
inside topic? You get subject. Inside topic.
You just dey confuse like now. Transformation, change. Restructuring. They confuse people when they already they confused before. Our 5,000 na never give us. Job people no get. Life no dey. People dey urgent to watch as they all. You dey they talk say this thing. They talk. What do you tell me? What do you tell me? Don't they confuse people? Another topic. Why master? To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love am.